Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed and today I'm gonna show you my roll-a-ball game. Um, this is the first level. We have the dead zone. If we jump in the dead zone, we're gonna die, so we have to be careful. Also, we have to collect 10 of these yellow cubes. Here, we cannot go to the other side, so we have to take this red circle to make the player smaller, and we have only 10 seconds, so we have to be quick. Here is the green circle we took to make the player bigger, because we cannot take this cube without it. Here we have the jump pad. It's gonna take us to the other side here, and we have other jump pad in case we want to go back. Now we take this red circle to make the player smaller, and here's the final cube. We have this one here, so if the player decided to go back, if he missed one cube or other, and we have this one. As you can see, we won. So also the dead zone, if we jumped into the dead zone, it's gonna take us back to the first position. We have the restart button here, the counter, and the exit. Thank you.